Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the FPS on your videos in CapCut PC. So don't select on anything, select modify, and here's where you can change the frame rate on your project. Select whichever one you want, and I'll just go with the 60 frames per second and select save. Then once you export it, you can also change it as well. Forgot where. Oh, okay. Let's add in this on top. So here you can also change the frame rate as well. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.